Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, just click on it. You come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to accept, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on audio and visual, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on background sounds, just click on it. Then you go down, just come here to stop sounds when located. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that means stop sounds when located, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.